guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene. For those of you who are new, welcome, and for those of you who've been riding with me for a minute, thank you as always for coming back. Today I'm doing a Tarte custom beauty kit unboxing. I have everything right here and I created this look using the box. So if you want to see how I got this look and what's in the box, stay tuned for the unboxing and demo. As you can see from the intro, this is all about Tarte's custom beauty kit. Now this is the first time I've ever done this one, but typically it is done like every year. It is super early in the morning. I have very little energy, so I'm catching up on my Joes. So basically, I'm gonna show you guys how I customize my kit, what I got in it, and I'm also gonna do a try on. So this will be an unboxing and a try on at the same time. So I have enough for most of a full face, but what I do not have, I will just like go off camera. Looks like this, very, very nice. I like the attention to detail. I like the design in the box. When you open it, you have all the 7 items in the box. So again, 7 full-size items for only $63. It is valued at over $200, which is super cool. So you get quite a bit. It's almost like getting yourself a Christmas present, you know? So I will go step by step, show you guys what I got. We'll do a quick beat so you can see how the products perform on my skin. Now, I'm hoping and praying that the colors that I chose for the foundation and the concealer are pretty good, because you're not able to return these, you're not able to get a refund. It's a final sale type of vibe. So since I don't have a primer in the box, I will use a primer by Estee Lauder, and this is the Smoother Universal Perfecting Primer. So this is something I always wanted from Tarte, and I was able to get it. This is the Clay Stick Foundation, and this one is in the shade Deep Honey. Keep your fingers crossed that it works. I love foundation sticks. I feel like they're easy, no mess kind of vibe. And I'll put the retail price for you guys somewhere around here so you can know how much they actually cost. So this foundation stick, we have 0.32 ounces. We don't even have an ounce in this, so that means it will probably finish really fast. Okay. The color range was not that great for the customized kit, so I went with the second to last one, hoping that that works for me. This is the Clay Stick Waterproof Concealer, and this is just in the shade Deep. I think it looks really good, actually. I did good choosing the colors, thank God. To be fair, I am familiar with the color range from Tarte, so it was not very hard to choose. And this was like, I think you had a limited time to get this offer, and if they run out of products, you basically were left with, you know, not that many options. This stick is like melting in my skin. I like it. I don't have a setting powder from the kit, so I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier in the shade Medium Deep. And you go in and you set before it starts to crease. I feel like every foundation creases. You just have to work well with it to make it last longer, you know? So we don't have a blush in the kit, so I'm gonna quickly use this duo by Nika K. I've used before on my channel. Just a touch. I'm gonna go off camera and quickly sculpt my brows. I'm back. and the brows are done. As good as they're gonna get today. Okay, the next product is the Man Eater Liquid Eyeliner. And I really am excited about this one. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I like the packaging, it's very pretty. And give her a shake. Okay, right off the bat, I do like how it's going on. I have a lot of control. So definite yes for the liner. It's very easy. It glides on to perfection. I really like that liner, y'all. So good. Okay, we're keeping the eyes really basic. Alright, so the next thing I have is the Man Eater Voluptuous Mascara, which I have not used. I've also heard very good things about it. They really came through with the things that they put in this box, y'all. Gonna put some lashes real quick and we'll see how that mascara works. The wand is a little thick. I'm not sure it's appropriate or perfect for the bottom lashes, but let's see. This is the Tarte lip paint, and this is in the color Cheerleader. It went all in my teeth there for a second. So it looks like that. The last thing in the kit is the Stay Spray, and this is the Double Duty Beauty. And let's see how it sprays. Okay, the mist is nice. Ooh, smells like cucumber. Of course, you get to choose your cosmetic bag. I chose the plain basic one because I feel like the ones that are shiny, they kind of just wear off after a while, and this one is just classic. It's pretty big and can fit a lot of stuff. So it looks like that. That is it for the box. I think overall it was a pretty good box. I'm just gonna go back and tell you guys the things I love the most. So let's start with the last thing that I use. I absolutely already can tell you that I love this Double Duty Beauty setting spray. It is huge, a 4 fluid ounce size bottle in the box. I really like the clay stick foundation. That was a win for me. I feel like my face looks really good. I also liked the clay stick concealer. That was pretty good. I did not care for the mascara too much. Like, I will need to play with that just a little bit more because the wand is pretty big. I don't know, it looks okay, but I'm not a fan yet, so I don't know if it will grow on me, but this one was just okay. I absolutely love the liner. This was a win for me. It looks really good. It's pretty dark and matte, which I appreciate. And then we also have this lip paint, which is looking pretty. It went on a little bit weird. There was a little bit of separation in the beginning, but I love the color. You guys know red is my thing. So this one is in the shade Cheerleader, like I said. It does feel slightly drying, but I don't mind. I just really exfoliate my lips a lot, so this is okay. So these are all the products that I got in the box, and overall for the value of $200 plus, I think that for only $63, it is a definite win. I don't think it's still going right now, but they tend to have it like, I guess, yearly or something. Not sure if they're gonna bring it back, but that was definitely a steal for all the products I got, including the cosmetic bag. So this wraps up my Tarte Custom Beauty Kit demo, and I think it turned out pretty good. I am here for this look. It was very simple. I did not go overboard, but I think for all the products that you get in here, that is a super duper deal. I'm really happy I got my hands on it, and this is looking really cute. So I am loving the foundation, y'all. Like, I'm super happy about that. So thank you as always for watching. Let me know your thoughts below. Let me know what you thought about the custom kit. Were you able to get your hands on it this year? Let me know down below. Thank you as always for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.